This is a song by Grammy-nominated hip-hop artist Young Thug were quoted in the indictment for racketeering and gang conspiracy charges the rapper is currently facing. And the judge says this, that prosecutors are allowed to use these and many more in trial. Well, that has a lot of people talking. Back with us to break it all down bar for bar, we're so glad Laura Coates agreed to stay. Laura Coates, by the way, she's a badass. She happens to be CNN's chief legal correspondent, author, and entrepreneur. Fat Joe is here. Fat Joe, we're so glad you're here.
Thanks for having me.
So we want to start with you because you've been behind the push to stop this kind of prosecution. What's your reaction when you see that he's on trial, accused, and that his lyrics can now be used against him in this trial?
That's horrible, horrible. It's a travesty. I've been rapping professionally for 30 years. I've lied in almost 95% of my songs. I'm being honest. Lied.
Like how? What do you
just
mean?
Go. I write like I feel that day. I'm just being creative. You know, if you could probably you couldn't build the jail high enough for the lyrics I've said on songs, which are all untrue. What I am is a family man, the person who gives back to my community all the time, open businesses in my community. So the music would never amount to the actual person, Joseph Cartagena. So what's even more horrible is that the district attorneys, they know those lyrics ain't real. They know that's creativity, but if it helps their case, they'll use it to put these guys in jail. And here we're having a fun show about it and discussion, but there really is 6 defendants in Atlanta who might spend the rest of their life in jail for something that's totally not true.
Yeah, you're saying this is not a laughing matter. This is very serious.
This is very serious. This destroys families. This destroys, I would say those guys got at least 100 people that are employed by them, that they pay their bills. You know, no Thanksgiving for them, no Thanksgiving for the 100 employees. You know, and this case right here is setting such a precedence in America because they've used this before in up-and-coming aspiring artists. They never took a guy off the stage in the arena. You know, a #1 artist that my daughter and all the kids look up to and say, no, you're going on trial for this. And it's nasty work. It's real nasty work.
But you know what? Let me play devil's advocate, AKA prosecutor, because you know the phrase, everything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. We all know it from Law and Order.
Yeah.
But more directly, they are being charged with this RICO violation, this conspiracy that says you have a criminal enterprise, a gang, and what you're actually rapping about is not a lie. As they're saying, it's not a lot, it's evidence. We want to use it that way. Now, you know embellishment happens all the time, and obviously his argument is, I'm just saying these things because it sells, not because I actually did it.